Hi everyone! So today I'm going to be showing you how I make my Jagua gel. So you're going to need some xanthan gum and some Jagua juice, just the pure filtered Jagua juice. This is from Fresh Jagua, and a scale, electric mixer, spatula containers, and a journal. So I just cleared the scale and I'm just gonna dump this whole thing of Jagua juice, and you can see it's pretty much the consistency of water. So I'm clearing the scale again once more and getting ready to add the xanthan gum. I started off with adding about 8 grams at first, and then just remember that you can always add more later. So just add less at first and see how you like it, and then just know that you can always add more because you can't take it out if you accidentally add too much. And now I'm just getting ready to mix it with my hand mixer. So starting on the low and then working my way up to the high. Here I decided that it was a little bit too thin for my liking, so I'm adding in maybe a couple more grams at a time. And you can keep repeating this process. If you think it's too thin, just add a couple or 1 gram at a time and see how you like it from there. Just keep going until you reach your personal preference. So here I'm just adding a little bit more xanthan gum. I ended up adding about 11 to 12 grams of xanthan gum to 458 grams of Jagua. That's maybe around like a 2 to 3% of Jagua to liquid ratio. There is a video out there that's really helpful if you're unsure about the ratio to start off with. I will link it down below. And here I'm just adding some essential oils because I want it to smell pretty. So here I added a couple dropperfuls of cajeput oil and maybe, I don't know, 8 drops of Ravensara, and it smells really good. And here I'm scraping down the sides of my hand mixer. The more often you do this throughout the mixing process, the smoother gel you'll get. So just make sure to do that every once in a while. And I'm just kind of checking the consistency here. I think it looks pretty good. Now I'm getting a cone and just putting just a little bit in there just to see and double check, make sure that it's not too runny or not too thick or chunky. Just so then I know, because it would suck to jar everything and then realize it's not exactly how you want it. So I'm just double checking here. So once you feel like you have your perfect Jagua gel, just get some containers. Here I'm just using a recycled hummus container and a little plastic container and another glass jar, and make sure to write the date on them, just so then you know which ones to use first. And from here you can go ahead and fill your cone and use it. It's ready to go, or you can store it in your freezer like I'm doing here. It can be stored in the freezer for I think up to a year. So I hope this video was helpful to you in some way. If you try it out, let me know how it goes, and let me know what kind of videos you want to watch. I definitely want to be making more henna videos. So yes, I will see you in the next one. Bye.